To zoom in, scroll forward with the mouse wheel. To zoom out, scroll backward with the mouse wheel. You can also zoom to selected objects only. First, select one or more objects. Then go to the View tab and click Zoom Selected. You can switch between different zoom levels. For example, if you want to return to the previous zoom level and location, click Zoom Previous. To restore the zoom level that we had when we first opened the model, click Zoom Original. By default, zooming follows the mouse pointer. For example, if we point to the pile on the left-hand side of the view and scroll forward with the mouse wheel, Tekla Structures zooms in on the pile. If you wish, you can change the setting so that zooming focuses on the center of the view instead of the mouse pointer. To do so, go to Settings and select Centered Zooms. As you can see, now the zooming ignores the mouse pointer completely. To adjust the sensitivity of the zoom, go to Settings and click Advanced Options. Change the values of these three advanced options. For finer and slower zooming, reduce the zoom step values. For faster zooming, increase the values. After changing the values, restart Tekla Structures for the changes to take effect. First, let's rotate the model by using the middle mouse button. Go to the View tab and click Set Viewpoint. Pick a point in the model. The pink viewpoint symbol appears. To rotate the model, hold down the Control key and press the middle mouse button while you are dragging the model. Let's try out a useful keyboard shortcut. Press V on the keyboard, then pick a point. Now let's repeat it. Press V and pick a point. As you can see, this is a fast and easy way to change the viewpoint. Another useful feature is Automatic Rotation Center. Go to Settings and click Automatic Rotation Center to switch it on or off. Now that this option is switched on, the viewpoint automatically changes whenever you click the middle mouse button. Up until now, we've been using the middle mouse button to rotate the model. If you prefer to use the left mouse button instead, go to the View tab and click Rotate with Mouse. Again, pick a point to set the viewpoint, but this time, press the left mouse button while dragging the model. Note that this command runs until you press the Escape key or start another command. For example, if you press V, the rotation functionality will be reset to the middle mouse button. Finally, you can rotate the model even without the mouse. Hold down the Control or Shift key, and then use the arrow keys to rotate the model right or left. The Control key rotates the model in 15-degree increments, whereas the Shift key rotates in 5-degree increments. You can pan around the view in two ways. First of all, you can use the middle mouse button to pan. This option is usually switched on by default. If needed, go to Settings and click Middle Button Pan to switch it on. Now hold down the middle mouse button and drag the model. You can also use the left mouse button to pan. To switch this on, go to the View tab and click Pan. The mouse pointer changes to a hand. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the model.